So, good afternoon, all my students. We are going to discuss here the remaining part of this video. This is the third video of the narcotic, drug, and psychotropic substances. We have already discussed these topics. Chapter 3, Prohibition, Control, and Regulation. Prohibition of certain operations. No person shall cultivate any coca plant or gather any portion of coca plant or cultivate the opium poppy or any cannabis plant or produce, manufacture, possess, sell, purchase, transport, warehouse, use, consume, import interstate, export interstate, import into India, export from India, or transship any narcotic, drug, and psychotropic substances. We have already discussed also these topics on prohibition of certain activities relating to property derived from offense, prohibition of central activities relating to property derived from offense, no person offense, no person shall convert or transfer any property knowing that such property is derived from any offense, from an offense committed under this act or under any other corresponding law of any other corresponding law of any other country or from an act of participation in such offences. So the next one is prohibition of certain activities relating to property derived from offense. It has been already discussed. Prohibition of certain activities relating to derived from offense. Power to control and regulate controlled substances. Power to control and regulate controlled substances. If the central government is of the opinion that having regard to the use of any controlled substance in the production of or manufacture of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substances, it is necessary or expedient to in the public interest it may be ordered by provide the regulating or prohibition the production, manufacture, supply and distribution thereof, then trade and commerce therein, without prejudice to the generality of the power conferred by subsection 7. An order made thereunder may provide for regulating by license, permit the otherwise the production, manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, sale, purchase, consumption, use, storage, distribution, disposal, or acquisition. Power to control, regulate substances without prejudice to the generality of the power conferred by subsection 1, as order made thereunder may provide for regulating by license, permit or otherwise or production, manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate, sale, purchase, consumption or storage, distribution, disposal or acquisition of any controlled substances. Power of state government permit, control and regulate. The state government is the possession, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate warehousing, sale, purchase, consumption and use of poppy straw except poppy straw produced from plant from which no juice has been extracted through lancing, the possession, transport, import, interstate, export, interstate, sale, purchase, consumption, and use of opium, the cultivation of any cannabis plant, production, manufacture, possession, transport, import, interstate, consumption or use of cannabis, excluding charas, the manufacturing of medicinal opium or any preparation containing any manufactured drug from materials which the makers is lawfully entitled to possess. The possession, transport, purchase, sale, power of state government to permit, control and regulate, provided that save in so far as may expressly provided in the rules made under the subclause 4 and 5, nothing in section 8 shall apply to the import, interstate, export, transport, possession, purchase, sale, use or consumption of the manufactured drug which are property and in the possession of the government, provided further that such drugs are referred to the preceding provision shall not be sold or otherwise delivered to any person who under the rules made by the state government under the aforesaid subclauses is not entitled to their possession, prescribes as any matter requisite to render effective the control of the state government over any of the matter specified in the clause A. In particular and without prejudice to the generality of the foregoing power, such rules may empower the state government to declare any place to be warehouse wherein it shall be the duty of the owner to deposit all such poppy straw as it legally imported interstate and is intended for export interstate or export from India, to regulate the safe custody of the poppy straw warehoused and removal of such poppy straw for sale or export interstate or export from India, to levy fees for such warehousing and to prescribe removal of such poppy straw for sale or export interstate. Power as state government permit to control and regulate. Provide that the limit within which licenses may be given for the cultivation of any cannabis plant shall be fixed from time to time or under the order of the state government. Provide that only the cultivators licensed by the prescribed authority of state government shall be authorized to engage in cultivation of any cannabis plant. Require that all cannabis, the produce of land cultivated with cannabis plant, shall be delivered by the cultivators to the officers of the state government authorized in this behalf. Empower the state government to fix from time to time the price to be paid to the cultivators for the cannabis delivered. Prescribe the forms and condition of licenses as permit for purpose specified in subclass 1 and 4 of subclass 1 to 6 of class of subsection 1 and the authorities by which such licenses or permits may be granted as the fees that may be charged therefore. Narcotic drug and psychotropic substances not liable to distress or attachment. Narcotic drug and psychotropic substances notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in any law or contract. No narcotic drug and psychotropic substances, coca plant of the opium, poppy or cannabis plant shall be liable to be destrained or attached by any person for recovery of any money under the any order or decree of any court or authority or otherwise. The restriction over external dealing in the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. The narcotic drug and psychotropic substances not liable. No person shall engage in or control any trade whereby a narcotic drug or psychotropic substances is obtained outside India and supplied to any person outside India save with the previous authorization of the central government and subject to such condition as may be imposed by the government in this behalf. Special provision relating to cannabis. Special provision relating to coca plant and coca leaves for use of in the preparation of flavoring agent. In the section 8, the central government may permit with or without conditions on the behalf of the cultivation of any coca plant or gathering of any portion thereof or the production, possession, sale, purchase, transport, import, interstate export, interstate or import into the India of coca leaves for use in the preparation of any flavoring agent which shall not be contain any alkaloid and to the extent necessary for use such. Special provision relating to the cannabis. In the section 8, government may by general or special order and subject to such condition as may be specified in such order allow cultivation of any cannabis plant for industrial purpose only of obtaining fiber or seed or for horticulture purpose. Chapter 5, 5th. Chapter 4, offences and penalties. Punishment of for contravention in relation to poppy straw. Whoever in contravention of any provision of this act or any rule or order made or conditions of a license granted thereunder produces, possesses, transport, import, interstate export, interstate sell, purchase, use or omits to warehouse poppy straw or remove or does any act in respect of warehouse poppy straw shall be punishable. Where the contravention involves small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 2 years, 1 year or fine which may extend to 10,000 rupee or with both. Second one, where the contravention involves quantity lesser than the commercial quantity but greater than the small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may be extended to 10 years and with fine which may be extended to 1 lakh rupees. So this one for offence as and from the side of offence and penalties. So the section C, where the contravention involves commercial quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall be not less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. provided that the court may, for reason to be recorded in the judgment, impose a fine exceeding 2 lakhs rupees. Punishment for contravention in relation to coca plants and coca leaves. The punishment for contravention in relation to coca plant and coca leaves: whoever in contravention of any provision of this act or any rule, order made or condition of license granted thereunder cultivates any coca plants or gathers any portion of a coca plant or produce, possess, sell, purchase, transport, import, export or use coca leaves shall be punishable with a rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Punishment for contravention in relation to prepared opium: whoever in the contravention of any provision of this act, any rule or order where the contravention involves a small quantity with rigorous punishment for a term which may extend to 1 year or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees or with both, or where the contravention involves the quantity lesser than the commercial quantity but greater than the small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees, or where the contravention involves the commercial quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend of 20 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees, provided that the court may, for reason to be recorded in the judgment, impose a fine or fine exceeding 2 lakhs. Punishment for contravention in relation to opium poppy and opium, where the contravention involves a small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for may extend to 1-2 year or which may fine extend to 10,000 rupees with both, where the contravention involves commercial quantities with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees which may be extend to 2 lakh rupees. Provided that the court, for reasons to be recorded in the judgment, impose a fine exceeding 2 lakh rupees. In any other case with rigorous imprisonment which may extend to 10 years and with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Punishment of embezzlement of opium by opium cultivator: any cultivator licensed to cultivate the opium poppy on account of the central government who embezzles or otherwise illegally dispose of the opium produce or any part thereof shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may be extend to 20 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees, provided that the court may, for reason to be recorded in the judgment impose a fine exceeding 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for contravention in relation to cannabis plant and cannabis. Cultivator any cannabis plant or produce, manufacture, possess, sales, purchase, transport, import shall be punishable. Where the contravention relate in the clause rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and shall also be liable for to fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Where such contravention relates to subclass B and involves small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 years to 2 years or which fine may extend to 10,000 rupees or with both, and involves quantity lesser than commercial use but greater than small quantities with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and which with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Second one, and involves commercial quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees, provided that the court may, for reason to be recorded in the judgment, impose a fine exceeding 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for contravention in the relation of manufactured drug and preparation. Whoever in contravention of any provisions of this act and a rule, order made or condition of license granted thereunder manufacture, possess, sales, purchase, sells, purchase, transport, import interstate, export interstate or use any manufactured drug or any preparation containing any manufactured drug shall be punishable. Where the contravention involves small quantities, the imprisonment or the punishment of for a term which may extend to 4 to 1 year or fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees or with both. Where the contravention involves small quantity lesser than commercial quantity but greater than the small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years and with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Where the contravention involves the commercial quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees, provided that the court may, for reason to be recorded in the judgment, impose a fine exceeding 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for contravention in the relation to psychotropic substances. Whoever in the contravention of any provision of this act or any rule or order made or condition by license granted thereunder manufacture, possesses, sells, purchase, transport, import, interstate export, interstate import or a use of any psychotropic substances shall be punishable where the contravention involves a small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year, or with fine may extend to 10,000 rupees, or with both. Where the contravention involves quantity lesser than the commercial quantity but greater than the small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years, and with fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees. Punishment for illegal import into India, export from India, and transshipment of narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Whoever in the contravention of any provision of this act or any rule or order may be conditioned for import and export from India or transshipment, the imprisonment which may extend to 1 year, or fine which may extend to 10,000, or with both. The second one, quantity lesser than the commercial quantity but greater than the small quantity with rigorous imprisonment for term which may extend to 10 years and which may fine extend to 1 lakh rupees. Where the contravention involves commercial quantities with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years, and shall also be liable to fine which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for external dealing in narcotic drug and psychotropic substance in the contravention of section 12. Whoever engage in the control in or control any trade whereby a narcotic drug or a psychotropic substance in obtained outside India and supplies to any person outside India without the previous authorization of the central government or otherwise than the accordance with the condition, if any, of such authorization granted under section 12, shall be fined which shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but may extend to 2 lakh rupees, provided that the court may, for reason to be recorded in the judgment, impose a fine exceeding 2 lakh rupees. Punishment for allowing premises to be used commission of any offence. Whoever being an owner or occupier or having the control or use of any house, room, enclosure, space, place, animal, or convenience knowingly permit it to be used for the commission by any other person of an offence punishable under the provision of this act shall be punishable with the punishment provided for that offence. Punishment for contravention of order made under section 9A. If any person contravenes an order made under section 9A, he shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 10 years, and shall also be liable to fine which may extend to 1 lakh rupees, provided that the court may, for reason to be recorded in the judgment, impose a fine exceeding 1 lakh rupees. Punishment for certain acts by licensee or his servant. If the holder of any license, permit, or authorization granted under this act or any rule or order made thereunder, or any person on his in his employee and acting on his behalf, omit without any reasonable cause to maintain account or to submit any return in accordance with the provision of this act or any rule made thereunder. Punishment of a consumption of any narcotic drug, psychotropic substances fail to produce without any reasonable such causes such license, permit, or authorization of demand of any officer authorized by such central government or state government in this behalf keeps any accounts or makes any statement which it falls to which he knows or has reason to believe to be incorrect or willfully or knowingly does any act in breach of any of the condition of license, permit or authorization for which is a penalty is not prescribed elsewhere in this act, he shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 3 years or with a fine or both. Punishment for consumption of any narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Whoever consume any narcotic drug or psychotropic substances will be punishable with a narcotic drug and psychotropic substances containing cocaine, morphine, diacetyl morphine, or any other narcotic drug or any psychotropic substances as may be specified in this behalf by the central government by notification in the official gazette with rigorous imprisonment for a term which may extend to 1 year or with fine which may extend to 20,000 rupees or with both. Where the narcotic drug psychotropic substances consumed in is other than those specified in the under clause with imprisonment for a term which may extend to 6 months or with fine which may extend to 10,000 rupees with both. Punishment for financing illicit traffic or harboring offenders. Punishment for contravention of section 8A. Punishment for attempts of commit offences. Punishment for abetment and criminal conspiracy. Whoever include the financing directly or indirectly or any other activity here the punishment whoever include the financing directly or indirectly any activities specified in the subclass of 1 to 5 class 7th A to section or here harbors and the person engaged in any of the aforementioned activities shall be punishable with the rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 10 years but which may extend to 20 years and shall also be liable to fines shall not be less than 1 lakh rupees but which may extend to 2 lakh rupees provided that the court for reasons to be recorded in the judgment impose a fine exceeding of 2 lakh rupees. In the provision of section 8A shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 3 years but which may be extended for 10 years and shall also be liable to fine. Preparation enhancement punishment or for offences after previous conviction. If any person make preparation to do or omits to do anything which constitute any an offence punishable under any the provision of the section 19, 24 and 27A and the for offences involving commercial quantities of any narcotic drug or psychotropic substances and for circumstances of the case. It may be reasonable inferred that he was determined to carry out the intention to commit the offence but had been prevented by the circumstances independent of his will. he shall be punishable with rigorous imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than one half of the minimum term. The second one is enhanced punishment of offences of their previous conviction. If any person which convicted of the commission of or attempt to commit or abatement of a criminal conspiracy to commit any of the offences punishable under this act, subsequently convicted of the commission of or any attempt of commit, where the person referred to the subsection liable to the punishment of the minimum term of imprisonment. Second one is the death penalty of the certain offences of their after provision previous conviction. Now, notwithstanding anything contained in section 31, if any person who has been convicted of the commission or attempt to commit amendment for criminal conspiracy to commit any of the offence punishable under section 19, section 24, section 27A or the and for offences involving commercial quantities of the any narcotic drug and psychotropic substances is subsequently convicted of commission or for attempt to commit or amendment of for criminal conspiracy to commit an offence relating to engaging the production, manufacturing, possession, transportation, import into India, export from India or transshipment of this narcotic drug and psychotropic substances specified under column 1 of the table below the and involving the quantity which is equal to or more than the quantity indicated against each such drug or substances as specified, and the second column to the said of the said table. First one, opium not exceeding the 10 kg, morphine 1 kg, heroin 1 kg, codeine 1 kg, thiamine 1 kg, cocaine 500 grams, hashish 20 kg, any mixture with or without any neutral material of any of the above drug lesser than the quantity between the quantities given against the respective narcotic drug and psychotropic substances mentioned above forming part of the mixture, LSD, LSD 25, and diethyl gamide 500 gram, THC 500 gram, methamphetamine 1500 grams, methaquilone 1500 grams, salt and preparation 1500 grams. No suspension, remission or commutation in any sentence awarded under this act factor to be taken this into account of for imposing higher than minimum punishment. Factors to be taken account imposing higher than the minimum punishment: the use of the threat to use violence or harm to the offender, the fact that offender holds a public office and he has taken advantage of the office in committing the offence, the fact that the minors are affected by the offence or the minors are used to commission of the any offence, in the fact that the offence is committed in any educational institution or social services facility or the immediate vicinity of such institution or faculty or in the other place of which school children and students resort or educational, sports, social activities. Application of section 360, the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973 or the Prohibition of the Offenders Act 1958, security for abstaining from commission or offences. Constitution of a special code. In the section culpable mental state includes intention, motive, knowledge of the fact and belief in or reason to believe a fact. For the purpose of this section, a fact is said to be proved only when the court believes it to exist beyond a reasonable doubt and not merely with its existence is established by a preponderance or probabilities. Constitution of a special court. The government may, for the purpose of providing speedy trials of the offence under this act, by notification in the official gazette, constitute as many special court as may be necessarily for such areas specified in the notification. Explanation is a subsection High Court means the High Court which session judge and additional session judge. Offences triable by special court. Offences triable by special court, Criminal Procedure 1973. All offences under this act are punishable with imprisonment for a term of more than 3 years shall be triable only by the special court constituted for the area in which the offences has been committed. Provided that in the case of the trial by the court of special magistrate considered when a such person forwarded into a forcible offences triable by special court. Now, nothing contained in the section shall be deemed to effect apart by High Court regarding bail under section 439, provided that it is not possible to complete the investigation with the said period. Appeal and revision application of the court proceeding before a special court transitional provisions. Offences to be cognizable and non-cognizable, non-bailable. Offences by company. Power of court to release certain offenders on probation. Power of court to publish name, place and business. So here is all from my side in this act, the narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. We are going to here summarize this topic. So take a summary. So our first slide is first for chapter 3rd, second for prohibition of certain activities relating to property derived from an offence. The third one is prohibition of certain activities. Next, prohibition of certain activities relating to the property derived from offence. These all slide for this. And the second one is control and regulate and control substances. Power to state government to permit, control and regulate. Next one, power to state government to permit, control and regulate. Narcotic drug and psychotropic substances not liable to distress assessment. Special provisions. Chapter 4, offences and penalties. There are some punishment as given for different type of malpractices. Punishment for contravention in the relation. Punishment are given in these topics. These all are the punishment. constitution of special court. Why the special courts are constituted for any trial? Here the reason is given. So here is the appeal and revision. When any court case has been created or launched in any court and you are not satisfied with the decision of the court, you can appeal, and revision of this judgment you can go to further court. Offences to be cognizable and non-bailable. Offences by companies. Power of court to release certain offenders on the probation. Power of court to publish name, place or business of certain offenders. So here is from my side. This is the last video of this narcotic drug and psychotropic substances. Thank you.